Hi, Home Barista, with me again, Stephanus from Ace Home Barista. Now, in this opportunity, I would like to introduce you another model from Lelit, VIP lines, Lelit Kate. And I'm going to use one of our bean from Aceh, Takengon, Gayo beans, which is already famous around the world. Now, just to let you know that this bean is kind of medium dark. It's almost there, almost to second crack. So I'm going to bring temperature down to 93 degrees. As darker beans supposed to have lower temperature. As usual, I have two napkins. One is especially to wipe everything that is going to end up in my mouth. Now you want to make sure your portafilter is piping hot. You can keep your portafilter in the group head during preheat, or you can even run some water to make it faster. Now here is my tip for all Kate owners. A ring dosing will certainly help you a lot to make sure your grinding process is not messy. Now before we grind, let me show you the menu in the LCC. It is integrated. You have single dosage and double dosage. All you have to do is to make one click or two clicks, and it does everything for you. Nice grinding result, and certainly, as you can see, with dosing ring, it's not messy at all. Now here is what I like about Kate. I think she's great machine for perhaps office, small office, or for those who are new and you don't feel like you need special grinder, and if you have constrained space and you just want one machine that can able to do everything for you, then Kate is the one for you. It's simply like a mother to me. That's why you can see all my writings are in pink. This machine dedicated for all the moms out there. Spouse, for being such an awesome home barista. We don't realize it was already invented a long time ago. The lady who prepared the drinks in the kitchen. They make great coffee, they make great tea, milk, you name it. Now let's go ahead and try to brew some coffee. Obviously, this machine is capable of timer, counting down timer, so you don't need fancy scale with timer. Result is awesome in my opinion. Crema is thick. Let's make some latte now. Begin by activating the steam mode. it's just the same as Victoria. Boiler is now set up to 135 degrees, so it will have enough power for us to steam milk. And it's ready. Okay, and you can see there's a flashing symbol of turning. That means you can turn the steam valve to open and close. Oh yeah, it is powerful. It's good enough, it's ready. Let me just demonstrate a bit how it is. Now let's steam the milk. See how long it takes to steam about 200 ml, 200 milliliters, I guess. I'm using 350 milliliter jug, and it wasn't full at all. It was just probably just half of it. Wow, it is. It's great. That was fast. Never forget to purge and clean your steam well. It's really important. In overall, brewing with Kate is such a pleasant time. The milk steaming result is really good. For latte art, ready to showcase what's in your cup. How is that, Home Barista? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested to buy Kate PL82T, read our descriptions. You will find the links of where to find it if you are around Indonesia or Southeast Asia. Oh, it's so yummy. Like a mother, Kate is capable of catering so much people. We have 3 cups of 190 ml, 1 espresso cup, and 270 cc cup. This is certainly big. Here is the LCC menu. You can change your brew temperature, steam temperature. You can change your countdown time, on and off, 3 seconds pre-infusion, single dose grinding, and double dose grinding. Daphnis here from Ace Home Barista. It's been a great pleasure to share this information with you all. I hope you like this video, and if you find it useful, help me subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend ahead. Ciao.